secondly, when the buyer has a problem, when they talk to the merchants, AI helps him to answer the standardized questions in a very native language way. That will help the merchants to convert buyers' commitment, even the orders, in a more effective way.
So more data suggests a recovery in production activity here in China. The Taishin Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, PMI, shows that the manufacturing sector returned to expansion in August. This was buoyed by firmer demand in output and in orders. The Taishin Index rose to 51, above that critical threshold of 50 that separates expansion from contraction. The August index marks a high since February and is up 1.8 percentage points compared to July. The figure also beat market expectations. Earlier, the official National Bureau of Statistics reported August manufacturing PMI at 49.7, while noting activity was picking up from a period of contraction. The Taishin manufacturing PMI focuses on export-oriented firms in the coastal regions, smaller and private firms as well.